Here we start with adding the skateboard we made in the last part. Now we start with a simple animation, then later we add details to it. You can simply add keyframes by just moving your timeline and press I. Now the basic animation is done. Now I'm going to pose mode and start adding details to my character. For better seeing, I'm hide this building. And when you're done with your pose, press A and I. With pressing A, you're selecting all bones, and with pressing I, you're adding a keyframe. And same thing for other poses. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And now this part is all about adding position and adding keyframes to it, so I'm going to speed up this part. Here I realized that my character hand is rotating in wrong way. simple animation of the skateboard. For animation of the camera, I like to use one camera and placing it frame by frame, but you can use multiple cameras. I just like the transition in between just one frame that gone blurry or something like that. And like always, adding a glare. And the best part, pressing render. If you enjoy watching, I appreciate you to like and hit the subscribe button. Enjoy the review.